as I was saying, there's almost anything going on in euro. We have that 2-week rally, right? And all of a sudden the pair was have the pair reach and briefly fall below the 61.8% last Friday. And for then on, we have been trading at 50 pips range, not even 50, quite contained below the 50% retracement of that rally, right? That was the 2-week rally, right? The 50% comes around 110.95 or so. And the level is it's containing rallies. Overall, if we change back to the daily chart or even bigger, we will see that the pair has been lacking certain directional strength, for quite long, right? There's no directional strength in here. Market is not sure what to do. I do believe that in part it's to blame on Draghi because, well, he launched full armor in when it comes to quantitative easing earlier this year, and afterwards he has been in a wait and see stance and has not reacted to all of the uncertainty the Brexit is generating over Europe, right? He's not reacting to that. He did nothing. He's not making big statements or announcing measures or being confident that those measures are not required. He made some comments in its latest statement, monetary policy meeting, but actually, he's not taking a serious position, right? So that is fueling the uncertainty over the destiny of the common currency, and therefore the market is rather staying aside of it than betting on a slide or a recovery. Anyway, there we are with not much to say. The pair has been hovering around 10.15, right? For most of the time ever since Brexit. It has been like an inflection point and a magnet area coming back and forth to that level, 100 pips to downside or 200 to the upside, but then back to this region. And right now it's also the 61.8% retracement of that last 2-week rally. So I would say that we need to clearly break below that region, below the Friday's low, 10.45 in fact, to see the pair falling, right? With the next probable targets being the 10 region, the 10 level, right? And below that, 960 seems the next logical target, and below 960, 910, which is the post-Brexit low, okay? I was looking that 1120, right? 1120 has been a major resistance for over a year already, right? Over a year and a half. And we have the 38.2% retracement of this rally at 25, right? So unless the PR can close the day or at least a 4-hour candle above this level, the upside seems limited for me, and probably we will be selling. We will be seeing, selling interest on approaches to this region, okay? Unless we have a big trigger, I don't know, a statement from the Fed, a statement from the Bank of Europe, whatever. But I don't see that triggers coming. Those triggers coming these days, right? So this is for me like a small line in the sand. If we can go past this level, then the pair will look a bit more bullish and probably return to the 1160 region. And that's the most I can see it right now. I can see it moving much more than that during the upcoming days, okay?